earn more money, get more customers in, make more profit? Learn some great sales techniques which are easy to implement. First of all, things like questions, the art of understanding questions and different type of questions. You know, if you ask more questions than your competitor, you've got a bigger chance of getting the business. Plus your customer thinks, wow, I'm really speaking to a professional now. It helps you understand your customer's business inside out. How about learning how to negotiate better? Hold your rate while the customer thinks you're just absolutely amazing. What about presenting with clarity, with influence and with results? Or how about looking after your current customers and growing that bag of money that comes from them, understanding how to see the opportunities? What about business development? How to get more business through the door? What to say, how to say it, who to target? And what about the art of listening? Are you really listening to what your customer says? And when you deliver back your solution, are you sure they're hearing you the way you want them to? Learn all this and so much more on one of our courses. We hold them all over Australia. So give our team a call now so we can understand your situation better, and together we can ensure that you smash through goals in 2018.